Okay, last example of this chapter in vectors. Finally, okay, we have a square OABCD. M is the midpoint. Okay, and the relationship are given. Okay, let's see one by one. Okay, first OD equal to 4 over 5 OM. Therefore, if I change this to ratio, OD over OM will be equal to 4 over 5. So OD to OM is 4 is to 5. If this is 4, this is 5, that means DM must be 1. Okay, first one. ON equal to 2/3 OA. So similarly, ON over OA will be equal to 2 over 3. So ON is 2, OA is 3, so this must be 1 also. Alright, so I get all this done in the diagram. Next, OA is P plus Q. Take note, OA is P plus Q, not ON. OC is P minus Q. Express the following. So first one, OD. I want to find OD. Okay, there are few ways you can go OA, AM, MD, or OC, CB, BD. Or another way, I express it in something else. Okay, OD is actually 4 over 5 OM. This is given in here. Okay, so what is OM? Alright, OM is actually OA plus half of AB. M is the midpoint, so AM is half of AB. Okay, maybe I write down here, half AB is actually AM. Okay, then next, what is AB? AB is not given, but since this is a square, AB and OC must be the same, so this is actually same as half OC. Then now I put in all the value. OA is P plus Q, OC is P minus Q, so half P minus half Q. So you have 4 over 5, 3 over 2P plus half Q, and therefore if you simplify, you have 6 over 5P plus 2 over 5Q. Okay, this is OD. Let's write down somewhere here first. 6 over 5P plus 2 over 5Q. Okay, so this is the first part. Next, DB. This is the line. Okay, cannot see. DB, this is the line. Okay, you may go DM, MB. You may choose other way, but in this case, actually, I choose to use the position vector method. I use OB minus OD. Okay, OB is actually OA plus AB. OD is what we found just now. Okay, so OA again is P plus Q, AB is P minus Q, minus OD, which is 6 over 5P minus 2 over 5Q. So calculate, we will have 4 over 5P minus 2 over 5Q. Okay, in this case, I may want to simplify it. 2 over 5. So I have 2P minus Q. Okay, actually your answer can leave it this way, but I simplify it actually for the next part. Alright, okay, so maybe I copy this first, put it somewhere here. Okay, and I delete the rest. Okay, third part, MB. Okay, this is the answer. MB, NB. Okay, so in this case you may use OB minus ON, but since I don't know ON, I may not want to use it. Or if you want, actually also can. Actually what I did is I choose NA plus AB. Actually really there are many ways you can do, just your own preference or whichever come to your mind first, it doesn't matter. Okay, so NA is actually, just now we write down the ratio, is actually 1 out of 3, 1/3 of OA. Okay, AB is same as OC, so P plus minus Q. Okay, write down here, AB is same as OC. So 1/3 OA will be 1/3 P plus 1/3 Q plus P minus Q. Therefore, I'll have 4/3P minus 2/3 Q. And if I take out 2/3, I'll have 2P minus Q. Okay, this is our answer. Again, you can actually leave your answer here. Okay, then now let me copy this over also and then delete this. Okay, last part. They want you to state two facts about DB and MB. Actually, from here you can see they have the same direction, 2P minus Q. Just that the scalar 2/5, 2/3 is different. So actually from here we know that since DB can be expressed at K times MB, therefore DB must be parallel to MB. This is one fact. Second, and since B is a common point, okay, NBD must be collinear. That means they lie on the same straight line. Or actually, third, what can you write? You can write down the relationship between DB and MB. Okay, you do a little bit of calculation. You know DB is actually 3/5 of MB. So actually you have 3 facts, just choose any 2. But sometimes if you don't know what are the marks you'll be given, just write down all 3. It wouldn't take you too much time. Okay, so that's all for vector. We hope you don't find it too difficult, because for me, I don't see any formula to be memorized. Mainly it's really the skill. Draw a clear picture for your own diagram and then solve the problem. Okay, good luck.